Restore literally means to bring back of data. Tally allows restoring of data from any medium into any other storage medium. In Tally's context, restore means we have a Tally backup and we wish to work on the data backup instead of the current data. This can be achieved by simply restoring from the existing data backup. The user must ensure the following points before restoring data backup. 1. Do not restore old or irrelevant data. 2. Do not restore data from a damaged media. 3. Do not restore data in the same folder as the existing data, since it may overwrite the existing data. To restore the backup taken on another media, execute the following steps. Go to Gateway of Tally, select press Alt plus F3, or click F3. Company Info. The Company Info menu appears. Select Restore. The Restore Companies on disk screen appears. Enter the following details. 1. Destination is the path or the folder where data backup needs to be restored. 2. Source is the folder or path where data backup file or auto backup files for multiple companies are stored. The path SP specified can be on the same storage device, external storage device, or a storage device on the network. Restore. In the Backup section, select the required company or companies from list of companies displayed to restore the data, or select all items to restore data of all the companies available. Accept to continue restoring the data backup. Here, shut the company and restore the data as shown. Type the correct path and select the following company.